guess let's check out the city cosmetics.
No,
Whoa! Oh my goodness. Wait, where is it? Oh, here. Oh my. Oh my goodness. How do I get this thing off?
It's a flamethrower.
Ooh, look. Oh, I don't like this. This is covered up.
Yo, what happened to this board?
Oh my. Bro, look at this. Hot pepper. What? Ew. Oh wait. Whoa. Oh, that's. Oh, I thought it was gonna be better.
It's like the old.
Too spicy.
There's a badge?
Spicy. Guys, you dare me to light this pepper on fire?
Unfortunately, I don't think we are.
I'm just waiting for tomorrow.
This kind of looks cool.
That one cosmetic at 1 p.m. for only 24 hours.
Is this
Are you
cool?
excited for tomorrow's feast?
Alright, let's see. The item cost. Yes. Yes, I need
Did
it.
I just breathe fire?
Yeah, just because it's the checkout forest.
Very spicy pepper.
I'm gonna go
I'm
check
making this very
it. Doesn't look like it. Whoa! Basement time. Or no, that was before that time.
Guys, use this protection. Use this protection. Chili pepper?
Let's go, VR.
Wow, there's like, it's a high quality. This is gonna destroy my Oculus. Wait, if you're a regular monkey.
Guys, everybody go on the stump. We're gonna do can't VR. No.
Oh, that looks so weird. I'm gonna go to casual lobby. What?
Wear VR cosmetics tomorrow.
Alright, let's go back. Alright. Whoa. I hate this so much. Whoa, what is this? Can you grab some? Hey you, get over here. I rate this update a 3 out of 10. Update sucks. It really does. Alright, let's just go back to infection. Oh, I hate this update. You can't have regular, like, forest. It's just lava. Oh! You get tagged on...
Lava came down. Refill it.
Bro. I like this kind of gorilla. Ooga booga. Ooga booga, ooga booga. Yeah, go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Inside, ooga. Yeah, beep, 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 beep. Yeah, we gotta just get him like... Alright, there we go.
Give me 3.
Ooga booga, ooga.
Give me 3.
Bro, this just became so much harder. Like, it's literally, you can't touch the floor. Oh, I should have not gone on walls. Bro, I have so much.
Don't fall. Purple. Don't fall. I'm right here.